Interesting facts about India Part 2. 1. Diverse languages. India is incredibly linguistically diverse, with over 1,600 languages spoken across the country. Hindi and English are the official languages, but there are many regional languages like Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Punjabi, and more. 2. The land of spices. India is known as the land of spices and has been a major spice producer and exporter for centuries. It's famous for spices like pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, and turmeric. 3. Varied climate. India experiences a wide range of climates, from the snowy mountains of the Himalayas to the tropical beaches of Kerala. It has a monsoon season, which is crucial for agriculture. 4. Ancient civilization. India is home to one of the world's oldest civilizations, the Indus Valley Civilization, dating back to around 2500 BCE. It has a rich history with contributions to mathematics, astronomy, and philosophy. 5. Bollywood. India's film industry, often referred to as Bollywood, is one of the largest in the world. It produces thousands of films each year, known for their colorful song and dance sequences. 6. Yoga's birthplace. India is the birthplace of yoga, an ancient practice that combines physical postures, meditation, and breathing techniques for holistic well-being. It has gained popularity worldwide. 7. The Taj Mahal. India is home to the iconic Taj Mahal, a white marble mausoleum in Agra. It is considered one of the most beautiful buildings in the world and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 8. Megadiverse country. India is one of the world's 17 megadiverse countries, meaning it hosts a staggering variety of species, both flora and fauna. It's a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and conservationists. 9. Cricket craze. Cricket is not just a sport in India, it's a national obsession. The Indian Premier League, IPL, is one of the world's most watched cricket leagues, featuring top international players. 10. Space exploration. India has its space agency, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, which has launched numerous successful space missions, including the Mars Orbiter mission, Mangalyaan, and the Chandrayaan lunar missions. India's blend of ancient traditions and modern advancements, along with its cultural richness and natural beauty, continue to captivate people around the world.